Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Amanda. Thank you so much for tuning in. All of the products that will be used in today's video will be conveniently linked for you in the description box below. No need to go searching for these items, just click on the link and make your purchase. Now let's get started. Okay, so today we are going to be making a super cute dog bowl. And let me go ahead and start by saying I apologize if you hear any background noise. That is my current cup turner, which is on the brinks, and I am patiently as I can waiting for my new cup turner to come in from Bama Cups. So I apologize for the background noise. Secondly, speaking of Bama Cups, for this particular project, we are going to be using a dog bowl turner. If you do not have one of those, you can pick those up at Bama Cups. I do have a coupon code linked for you in the description box. So if you'll click on that, it will take you to their website and apply a $5 coupon code for you. So let's go ahead and get started. With a dog bowl, you are going to do it the same way as you would a tumbler. You're going to sand it down, clean it up. I like to use alcohol and a coffee filter just to prevent any lint from a paper towel or something like that from lingering on the surface. But you can wash it with some dish soap and water if you'd like. And then you're ready for your painting or whatever you're going to do. On this dog bowl, what I did is I just went ahead and painted it white. We're going to be using green glitter today, but I went ahead and painted my dog bowl white because the glitter I'm using is opaque and not translucent at all, and so the white is not going to show through. Now, if you do that, you just want to make sure when you apply your glitter that there's no holes where you can see the paint underneath. But that's normally why you would paint your item the same color as your glitters, just to mask any type of like gaps or something in the glitters. But again, this glitter, it covered perfectly. I had no issues. And so we just painted it white. Now, after the paint dried, I was ready for my glitter. We're going to be doing a peekaboo dog bowl. And I apologize. I do not have the footage of me glittering the bowl. So, I don't know what happened to it. I don't know if I just didn't record it. I just don't know. But what I did on this particular dog bowl, I applied my epoxy as it was on the dog bowl turner. And I just applied epoxy, nothing added in, no glitter, nothing, just my epoxy resin. And then as it was spinning, I just sprinkled my glitters on. And I just kind of alternated using the chunky and the fine. I put some paper underneath to catch the excess glitter. And I was really surprised with the coverage that I got doing it that way. So I just let that spin overnight. And so once it was cured, then I did go ahead and have to add another coat of epoxy on top of that, of course. But you can add your glitter in with your epoxy and glitter it the same way like you would a tumbler. You can use Mod Podge, whatever way is comfortable for you. But I will tell you that was really an easy way to get a really good coverage. And I'm not sure if I've ever done my glitter that way on a cup before, but for the dog bowl, it really gave some good coverage. And it also could have been the glitter. But anyway, I got wonderful coverage. I loved doing it that way. And then once I applied the second coat of epoxy and that had cured, then you're ready to do your peekaboo method. Now for the peekaboo, I just cut these palm fronds and monstera leaves out of stencil vinyl, applied those to the dog bowl, and then spray painted it white. You can pull your stencils up right away if you want. Just be careful not to smudge or smear the paint while it's drying. But for me, I like to let my paint dry for a while, and then remove your stencils, and you have this adorable peekaboo. So once that was completed, I did go ahead and add another coat of epoxy. And for this dog bowl, I did add 20 milliliters. I'm not sure the size of the dog bowl. I'll have it linked for you in the description box, however. But I used 20 milliliters each time, and that seemed like a really good ratio. So, and then once that had cured, I was ready to add my name, and this dog's name is Blanche, from the Golden Girls. And if you've ever seen the Golden Girls, you will know that they live in Florida, and Blanche has palm leaves all over her bedroom as her decor. So that's why I did the monstera leaves and palm fronds. But anyway, and then I just cut the name Blanche out of this Tech Wrap Craft vinyl, and then added 2 more coats of epoxy, and she's done. Also, as just a reminder, I did sand the rim of the dog bowl after the second coat of epoxy to establish that stainless steel line so that the epoxy has something to hold on to. And then when it was completed, I did go ahead and wash it with some dish soap and water on the inside, because I did spray it down with alcohol earlier, and I just wanted to make sure there wasn't any lingering alcohol in there. So I just washed it with dish soap and water, and she's completed. So I just thought this was a super cute little bowl, and wanted to share this with you. And again, I apologize that I had some footage missing. If you want to see how to glitter and epoxy a dog bowl, let me know in the comments section, and I will make another video and show that particular step. I thought I had this time, but again, I just couldn't find it. So I apologize for that, but super cute little fun project that you can make for your pets, and for your friends' pets. You can make them for gifts, whatever. But I hope you've enjoyed this little tutorial. I know it was short, but I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope it has given you some inspiration. I thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video today. And as always, I hope everyone has a blessed day.